Spend. To use money to pay for something. Save. To keep money instead of spending it. Break. To damage or separate into two or more parts as a result of force. To make unusable. Repair. To restore something that is damaged or broken to good or workable condition. Ignore. To pay no attention to something or someone. Heed. To pay attention to something, advice, a warning, etc. Float. To stay on or near the top of a liquid. To move slowly on water or in air. Sink. To go down below the surface of a liquid such as water, mud, etc. Stress. To feel very worried or anxious about something. Relax. To stop feeling nervous or worried. Put on. To dress in clothing. To apply something to one's face or body. Take off. To remove clothing. To remove something from one's face or body.